Let me show you how we can close all running background apps on POCO F8 Pro and POCO F8 Ultra. So if you use gestures for navigation in order to open recents or background apps, we need to swipe from the bottom of the screen and move our finger to the half of the screen, to the middle over here, and hold like that for like half a second or so. And then you should be able to easily open the list of background apps. And of course, if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then in this case you need to use the square button. And if you use this style of recents of background apps, and then you need to swipe to the left or to the right in order to close the single app. And if you want to close all of them at once, then of course you have this X button in the bottom of the screen. But also in home screen settings, if you go to arrange items and recents, we can switch the view to horizontal, which looks like this. And in here we can swipe up in order to close a single app. And of course we have X at the bottom of the screen as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.